Hey, this is Helen from Mind Hacks. Today I'm going to be talking about memory aids, aka the Memory Palace. If you like to enter the next memory contest or just trick your friends into thinking that you're a genius, able to recall crazy long chains of random numbers 1010100 or facts, just random facts, feast your brain on a delicious concept called the Memory Palace. The Memory Palace. It doesn't necessarily have to be an imaginary palace. It can be the interior of your apartment or your parents' house, but the game is to mentally visualize the layout of an interior, rooms that you're familiar with, and walk through the interior to remember the random facts or the random numbers. For an example of my memory palace, I utilized my parents' house. As I entered through the front door, I come into the kitchen. This is the first room. I can place a random fact or a random number I like to remember. Let's say I want to remember the number 0. To easily remember it, I see a donut on the counter or I see apples on the counter. As I look at them and visualize the roundness, I see a 0. Now that I got my number, I leave the kitchen and enter the dining room. On the table is a huge candle because the power went out and wax is getting all over the wood finish. The next number is a 0. I look straight and see a burning wood stove and a chimney. I imagine the chimney bright red because a huge explosion just exploded and the explosion is shaped like a 0. I duck off to the right and see the next room, another table, and on the table is a lamp, and the lamp base and the stalk reminds me of a 1. So on and on, I go into different rooms and I remember random numbers because of the story I set up in advance in my memory palace. Everyone from memory pros to the average Joe like me utilizes the memory palace to remember crazy long chains of random numbers or random facts. Some people visualize the video game terrains that from their favorite video game. But let's say you want to remember random facts about the US presidents. Once you selected a terrain, assign a room for each president, and if you wanted more than just the order of the presidencies and their names, just associate visuals or symbols on the presidents in each room to remember a specific contribution that they made in their presidencies. So that's it for now. If you want more memory, check out these 2 videos. But until next time, this is Helen Onik from Mind Hacks. Get your mind blown.